Looking for a 55 and over community with an affordable home for either a second home or maybe a retirement home, and you don't need too much room, but you would love to be in the heart of tradition? You need to take a look at our new listing, 10282 Corvus Lane, right here in the beautiful community of Telaro. Hi friends, Lee Brickey here, and today I'm in Telaro in front of their new clubhouse talking about our new listing at 10282 Corvus Lane, right on the lake, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa that's absolutely gorgeous with an exciting backyard that we're gonna show you in a minute. But before we get started, let's tell you where we are right now. Telaro is in the heart of tradition. You have the Hart Park on one side of us, and you have the Stars and Stripes Park on the other side, is both being built right now. Also, you have the beautiful town center with shopping and restaurants, and you have all of the restaurants and shopping across the street, and more coming every single month to Tradition. Tradition is just growing like crazy, and it's a wonderful place to live. 20 miles of trails that you can access on your bicycle or your golf cart. So with that being said, let's talk a little bit about what's going on here with this 20,000 square foot clubhouse with a beautiful pool, pickleball courts, basketball courts, tennis courts. And if you like the garden, you have a garden. Inside this clubhouse, you have a card room, pool tables. There's a grand ballroom, which allows you for parties and events. It's absolutely beautiful and it's brand new. And it's the only 2-story clubhouse in Tradition. So when you're upstairs looking over the pool area and the beautiful community, it's absolutely gorgeous. With that being said, let's go take a look at our listing. I'll meet you at the house. Welcome to our new listing, 10282 Southwest Corvus Lane. This is one of Telaro's villas. This is a great villa, a little under 1,400 square foot, right on the lake. Let me tell you a few things about these villas. Number one, 2-car garage. It's a great thing to have a 2-car garage in one of these great villas. Also, the concrete block wall goes all the way to the roof line. So there's concrete between you and the villa next to you, so it creates that silence. Also, this villa has a full impact glass all the way around it. And as I said, sits right on the lake. So let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful home. Inside this home, you would never feel like this is just 1,400 square foot. There's so much room in here. Huge kitchen, great living area. Kitchen, you have quartz countertops, you have wood cabinets, Whirlpool appliances, LG refrigerator. The stove is gas, so you also have a gas hot water heater and you have a gas dryer. You can easily hook up a generator here because this is a gas community, so it's awesome. You have a nice eat-in kitchen area right here. Your second bedroom is in the front of the home, right next to the full bath for your guests. And I just love the way the home flows. It's just an open floor plan from the front door all the way to the family room. Let's go take a look at the master bedroom and bath. In the master bedroom, you have plenty of room for a king-size bed and all of your dressers. You also have a nice size master bath with double sinks, wood cabinets, and you have a huge walk-in closet in the back. It's just a great setup in this house. Let's go take a look at the outside though, because this house was made for entertaining the way the seller set it up. So how beautiful is this outside area? This back patio is absolutely gorgeous. The sellers put down all this beautiful travertine, built this screen enclosure, put in this great bar for entertaining. It's a great place to entertain your friends, bring your family, and you're right here on the lake in this beautiful community of Telaro with a brand new clubhouse that has everything you could ever want in the heart of Tradition. If you're interested in learning more about this listing, you can reach out to me, Lee Brickey. My information's right there on the screen. We'd love to give you a personal tour. And if you have any questions or comments about it, you can leave those in the comment section or you can reach out to me again. And if you would like to see more of our walkthroughs and listings, you can see that right there. Be kind to each other and I'll see you in the next video.